Soham.
Okay. Two 2916. Okay. Find the square root of 2916. Tell me, how are we going to find out the square root for 2916? What to do? What to do?
We have to divide it by
Prime
2.
factorization method.
No prime factorization method. Long division.
Long division method.
So tell me what to do first step.
We have to divide by 2.
No, beta. We have to draw the bars.
Sir, group of 29 and
No.
16.
Divide the group.
So group is of what? 16. And group is of
16 and
29. Yes or no? Now what should I do? What to do, children? Are we
Sir,
have to check a
as
square
29
number.
is not
Divide it by 5.
No, not divided by 5, but check a square number. That is 5 5s are 25. Yes or no?
5 are.
Ha.
Yes, sir.
Or 6 6 is 36, but 36 is not allowed for us because 36 is a bigger number. So I will have to go for 5 5s are. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
5 5s are 25. What happens?
4 remain.
Remainder 4 and carry down.
4 remain. 16.
16.
What should I do here?
Sir,
5.
add 5.
Add 5. Add 5.
Plus 5. Add 5.
So what happens? 10 with a gap. Yes or no?
Yes.
Ha.
Yes.
So what will come here? 101 ones are, 102 twos are, threes are, or fours are.
4 is a.
104 fours are, 4 fours are, 16. Carry down 1 4 ones are 4. Remainder is 0. Yes or no? Yes or no, children?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Ha. So therefore, what do we get? Square root of 2916 is equal to 54.
Is 54.
Yes. Correct. Very good.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you tell me we have done few things. Okay. Which are those? See, we found out square root of 529. Did we find out using long division, which was 23? Check in your notebooks. We
Yes,
found
sir.
out what? What is the next? Square root of?
496.
No, 4096 it was. Is it 400? It is 4096.
Yes, sir. 4000.
What
Yes,
was the
sir.
answer for that?
64. 64.
64. Next, what did we find out? One more.
15376.
15,376.
15376.
What was the square root for this?
124.
Beta 124. Correct? And
Yes,
just,
teacher.
Yes, sir.
just now we found out the square root of 2916 and the answer was 54.
54.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to say a very important point. Stop doing all your work and pay attention here. Everybody will pay attention here. In 529, where was the first bar? Over 29
2 and 9.
and over 5. How many bars? How many bars?
2.
2.
2 bars.
And how many digit ka answer?
2.
2.
2 digit.
Here how many bars?
2.
2.
So
2
how
bar.
many digits? 2 digits.
2.
Here 1, 2, 3 bars.
3.
So 3
3
digits.
bars.
So 3 digits.
Number.
2 bars. So 2 digits.
2
Am I
bars.
right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If I would write
Yes, sir.
square root of 49, how many bars will come over 49? Only 1 bar
1
will
bar.
come.
Only 1.
And we know 49 square root is 7. 1 bar, so 1 digit. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So now this is one more thing. See, this is a method of estimation now. Estimation means what? Without even doing the long division, sometimes if you know that the number is a square number, then definitely we can find out the square root. Now see how. What happened?
Sir, by today my book will get over. Then what to do from today?
New 200 pages ka notebook for new chapter. Anyway,
Okay.
continue with the new book, but okay.
Okay, sir.
Now see, so what we can estimate? We can estimate the number of digits. We can estimate, definitely we can get the number of digits in the square root. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And now, see, so now if I give you a number, square root of, you will tell me. Seven 5716. 715716 will have how many digits?
3 digit.
3 digit.
Why
3
3
digits.
digits? Why?
Because group
Because
square
there is
There are 3 because pairs are 3.
3.
Correct. There are 3 pairs or 3 bars. Hence, its square root will have 3 digits. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So write down. Estimating a new point. Just write down a new point. Where should I write it? I'll take a new page only. Write down estimating the number of digits in the square root of a square number. Write down like that. And write down. We can observe that. Again, this is for your own understanding. And you know why I give all these things in writing? Because I feel that at some point of time you might read your notebook, and if you read your notebook, you should have all these things. Okay, this is not needed anywhere, but still I give it you as a form of notes because I want that these things should be there with you. So we can observe that there are as many number of digits in the square root as many number of bars drawn. And then write down, for example, square root of 529 is equal to 23 is equal to 2 digits. 2 bars, hence 2 digits. Correct? Root of 64 is 8. 1 bar, hence 1 digit. Seven one five one six. No, what we have found out? 15731. What was our number? One. What was that number? 6 digit ka number. Which was that?
529.
15376. 15376.
376. 15376. And what was the square root?
124.
124. So here there are 3 bars. Hence 3 digits. Yes or no? Just show it.
Yes, sir.
Show the 2 bars. Show the single bar. And show the 3 bars. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Just try this page number 105 now. Without actually finding the square root. Find the number of digits. The square roots of the following numbers will have. Just the number of digits in the square root they are asking. Just the number of digits in the square root they are asking. The first number is 25600. How many digits?
Sir, 3 groups, so 3 digits.
So what are we going to write? Correct. So square root, write down like that. Square root of 25600 will have 3 digits. Or will be a 3-digit number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. That is, just a minute. Let me check the number properly. 10 crores is the number. So write down the number. So how many?
9 groups.
4, 5 groups I can see, beta.
5 groups.
Yes, sir. 5 groups.
9 digits are there, है ना?
Yes, sir.
So square root of 1. And after that, how many zeros are there?
8.
8.
We'll have how many digits?
5 digits.
5 digits. And the next number is 36864. So you tell me now. 36864.
3 digit.
3 digits?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Three, 6, 8, 6, 4 will have 3 digits. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So find out the square roots of example 9. Start doing it now. Extra sums are the example 9 is there. Example 9. Textbooks closed. Of number 1, 729. So start doing it for 729 long division method. Tell me how are you going to do?
First, we have to make bars.
Okay. So first bar over.
29.
29 and 7.
Okay. Next.
7 ones are.
अरे no. 7 1 जा नाही घ्यायचं. स्क्वेअर नंबर 1 1 जा 2 2 जा 3 3 जा असं घ्यायचंय.
2 जा, sir. 2.
हा.
2 to the 4.
शंतनू.
Yes, sir. Atu.
हा. 2 2 जा 4. Remainder is
3.
carry
3
down.
and take 29 down.
29.
2 is over there, so add a 2. 2 plus 2, 4 with the
Gap.
gap.
4 gap.
Now wait. Now children, see one more thing. See, there are 2 bars. That means 2 digit answer is going to come. Means same number will come here. I will not try only for 1 and 1 because 1 1 is 1. Either 43 3s are because 3 3s is 9 or 47 7s are because 7 7s is 49. I will not try any other number apart from 3 and 7. If I try 44 4s are 4 4s are 16, no use. 45 5s are 25, not use. 6 6s are 36, not of use. So let me check 43 3s are or else 47 7s are. Are you understanding?
Sir, it's 47 into 7.
Yes. So 7, lot of time is saved. 7 4s are 28 and 4 32. Yes. So 47 7s are 329. Remainder is 0. And that is why square root of 729 comes out to be 27. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So next number 1296.
Sir, make 2 groups of 9, 6 and 12.
Correct. Then
As 12 is not a perfect square,
what should I take?
3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9.
3 3s are 9. Correct. Remainder is 3 comes down to 96. What should I add over here?
Sir, add 3.
So what comes? 6
Six.
with a gap. 6 with a gap. Which numbers can come over here?
4 or 6.
Correct, because 4 4s is 16 or 6 6 is 36 because I want ending digit at 6. Let me check. 64 4s are 4 4s are 16, 256. Okay, or else 66 6 are 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 30, 396. आ गया आंसर? Yes or no? 66
Yes,
6
sir.
are 396. Answer is 0, and therefore square root of 1296 comes out to be 36. Children, are we understanding this method? Yes or no? It's a very important method.
Yes, sir.
Very, very important method. Over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
see, example 10. No, don't write it as example 10. Just write an extra question. Just write a question. Find out the least number which must be subtracted from. Okay, I'll give you a simple example from 146. So as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. Now what we were doing? Find the number which must be multiplied or find by the number which must be divided. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Now we
Yes.
want to find the number which must be subtracted. Now you see, you already know that 144 is a square number. See, you know, if you might have realized 11 square is 121, 12 square is 144, and 13 square is 169. Means 146 is over here. I need to subtract 2 from 146 to get 144, which is a square number. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Now see, for that purpose, what you need to subtract, let me check by long dividing. Okay, just now, so long by long dividing, remainders came out to be 0. Okay, remainder was 0, we was getting the quotient as a square root. Remainder was 0, quotient became the square root. Remainder was 0, quotient became the square root. Now let us check in case of 146, what comes out to be the remainder. Okay, if it is 0, we obviously know 146 will be a square number, but we know definitely 146 is not a square number. So definitely remainder will not be 0, but let us check what the remainder comes out to be. So tell me what to do.
Remainder will be 2.
Exactly. First tell me how to solve this. Bar over 46, bar over 1.
Sir, 1 1 is 1.
So
One,
take 1.
1's are 1. Remainder is 0. Comes down a bar 46. What to do? Add a 1.
Plus
Double
1.
So 2 with a gap. 21 1's are 21. 22 2's are 44. And 23 3's are 69. 23 3's are is not possible. Yes or no, children? 69 so I cannot subtract. So 22 2's are 44. Remainder is 2. Nothing to carry down. Division stops. But remainder is 2. Means now I need to subtract this remainder from this. So that if I would have subtracted 2, I would get 144. And this 44 minus 0 would be the remainder. Are you understanding, children, now? This 2,
Yes.
which we
Yes,
have to
sir.
subtract. actually comes out to be the remainder. So we want the remainder to be 0, means we should subtract. We don't want this. We want the remainder to be 0. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So write down thus.
Sir,
Yes. Bolo bolo. Yes, say. Since the remainder is 2, we need to subtract 2 from 146 to get a square number. So 146 minus 2 is equal to 144 is the required square number. Yes or no? And square root of 144, we have already got the answer, is 12. Square root is 12. Now, if you check, just one check if you do for 144, see what happens for 144. We already know 144 is a square of 12. And even if you check by our long division method, bar over 44, bar over 1, 1 ones are 1, remainder is 0, comes down a bar, 1 to the quotient, so 1 gets added, 2 with a gap, 22 2s are 44, remainder is 0. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Are we understanding?
Yes, sir.
Now the next number, same question, example number 10. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 5607. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 5607. So what should we do? For that purpose, what we should do? Apply the long division method for 5607. Yes or no? Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So write down solution. Let's apply the long division method for 5607. So tell me, how are we going to apply for 5607?
Sir, group 07 and 56.
Okay. What will be the first term?
As 56 is the perfect.
Huh?
We will take 7 7 the 49.
Yes, 7 7s is 49 because 8 8s is 64. What is the remainder?
7
7.
Carry down.
07.
Here is a 7. So what should I do?
Add
Add
7 to
Yes. So 7 plus 7?
14 and 1 place blank.
Correct. 14 with a blank. So now how many are? 144, 141 ones is 141. 2s are, 3s are, 4s are, 5s are. What should I take? Check it out. 143 3s are, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 and 4 29 is still a smaller number. Let me take 4s are. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 and 1 17, 576, still a smaller number. Let me take 145 5s are. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 and 2 22, 725. Is it possible to subtract 725?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So what should I
No,
go
sir.
for? What should I go for?
570.
146.
144
146.
4s are.
144. 144.
144 4s are. What did it comes? 576. 7 minus 6 1, 7 10 minus 7 3, 131 is the remainder. So what should I subtract now? Immediately subtract 131. 5607 minus 131. You have to do that just as we did over here. 144, 146 minus 2. How much?
Five four seven six. 5476.
5476. And who will be the square root of 5476? 74. Yes or no?
Yes.
So like right, since 131 is the remainder, we need to subtract 131 from 5607. Yes or no? 5607 minus 131 is equal to 5476 is the required square number, and square root of whom, children?
5476.
Is
5476
74.
74.
correct. So if instead of 5607, if we had 5476, remainder would have been 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And the square root would have been 74. Children, are we understanding this?
Yes, sir.
We'll take one more of the same type, and then we can stop for the day. Okay, so yes. Six, 8, 2, 6. The next number for us is 6, 8, 2, 6. Check it for 6, 8, 2, 6.
Sir, bars on 26 and 68.
Okay. So what will be the first question term?
8 8 is 64.
Correct.
8 8 za.
Correct. Remainder is 4. Carry down
4.
26.
26. What should I do here?
8 plus 8. 8
How many?
plus 8. 16 gap. 16 gap.
16 with a gap. Chalo, what should I do? 161 1 za, 162 2 za, or 163 3 za? Let me check for 163 3 za. 3 3 za 9, 3 6 za 18, 489. Not allowed. Yes or no?
Sir, 162 2 za.
162 2 za.
324.
324. What is the remainder?
Note it. 324, sir. 324.
324. That's what I have taken. Na? So the remainder is 102. So what do we need to do?
We have to
We need to
subtract 100 by 6826.
So what is the required number?
Nina Buddha. Buddha.
Ayush. Chalo. So what are we going to write? Since
the remainder is 102, we need to subtract 102 from 6826 to make it a square number.
yes, 6826 to make it a square number. Therefore, 6826 minus 102 is equal to 6724 is the required square number. Yes or no? And square root of 6724
82.
is 82. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Are we understanding what we are writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So, I guess we will stop over here for the day. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. The next concept.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, when
Sir,
the
show
steps
the
will
previous
start?
screen. Can
What
you
are
show
you,
the previous screen?
you want to see the
When the
previous
steps
screen?
will start?
Yes.
Arey, what are you saying?
Sir, when the steps will start?
What? When do?
When the steps will start? Tuition.
Tuition. When they give us the permission. अभी permission नहीं है ना offline classes start करने के लिए. We are waiting for that. Okay. I will just let you know as soon as we get the permission, we will definitely start. Even I want to start offline. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. All.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye, all of you.